Hello everyone. I'm very glad to welcome you all to Delicious Kitchen. Darlings, what I have for you today is what you can see on the screen. I brought you the super delicious, festive and super tasty dish. That's the fish we're going to use for it. The fish needs to be very well cleaned before we get it started. So all we need to do is to first of all remove the scales, remove the fins. Yes, they are very important so that you can enjoy your fish. All right. And after removing those things that we don't want from it, remove the gut as well. I'm going to use lemon or citron to wash the fish. It's very good when you use lemon to wash your fish. It will reduce the odor, it will keep it fresh and boost the taste as well. All right, you can see what is coming out of it. Just use it to rub the surface of the fish, the skin especially. You will feel it and know the difference immediately. Now wash it thoroughly with water. Let's make the marinade. In this blender, I'm going to pour garlic cloves. Chives is what I'm adding into it now. And I'm going to go ahead and add basil. What I have here is rosemary. I also added coriander leaves into it. Just an experiment, but came out super delicious. Now I'll be going ahead to add seasoning into it. And I also added Persley into it. After that, I added some chili pepper into this. This is optional, but I loved it. And I added olive oil. Instead of blending it with water, I blended it with some olive oil. Now I covered it and I blended it smooth. Please don't forget to share as you're watching. Keep the recipe so you won't lose it. Lovelies, look at what we have now. But into this, I'm going to add salt. And I'll also add some lemon juice into it. I gave it a gentle mix and this combo tastes super delicious. Now the fish. This is well rinsed with cold water. I'm just going to give it some slides on it. Just going to cut it from the head to the tails. Just this cut. You don't need to cut it all through. Right side, and then I flipped it over and I also gave it from the head to the tails the slides on it. This will enable those ingredients to enter well into the fish. So after that, I pat dried it. It's very, very important. Okay, just get your kitchen towel, pat dry the fish right and left, and then it will be ready to be marinated. First of all, I sprinkle some salt on it, just a bit of salt, not that much. Sprinkle some salt on it. I rubbed it all over, and it's now time to marinate it with the marinade we've all prepared together. You can see the way I'm taking my time to do this. Please do so for the maximum results. Have you subscribed already? If you haven't, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe. It is free. If you're not following already, please place your hand on the follow button and follow. All right. Thank you so much. Now I flipped the fish and I also marinate the other side of the fish. Now I'm just going to keep this in a fridge for 30 minutes. In a bowl, I'll be pouring peeled, sliced and well washed potatoes into it. Each potatoes are cut into 4, and I'm adding paprika also into it. What I have here that you can see is also paprika, but the green one. And I'm also adding yellow paprika into it. It will be colorful. You will love the color. I sprinkled some salt on it. And at this stage, I'm going to add the remaining from the marinade we prepared together. So lovelies, at this stage, if you want it more spicy, feel free to add like chili flakes into it. You will love it. So into this, I'm going to add more olive oil into it, and at the stage wash your hands or use a glove and mix it well together. Let it be well combined, because at the end of it all, you are going to see the result, and I'm very sure you will be really amazed if this is well prepared. I mix them together, and it's now time to get my baking tray ready. That is the baking tray I'll be using, and I'm just going to cream the baking tray with some olive oil. Where olive oil is not available, feel free to use vegetable oil for this recipe. It's just that olive oil is healthy. So I'm going to pour the well marinated potatoes and paprika into the well creamed baking tray. Yes, so it's now time to bring out the well marinated fish and place it on top of the potatoes. Looking delicious already, but we ain't done, lovelies. So I'm going to place the sliced, about 4 or 5 slices of lemon into the fish. Look at how it looks, so lovely. I covered it back, and it's now time to preheat your oven up to 200 centigrade. Place it in the oven for good 30 minutes. Tra-la-la, lovelies. Look at what I brought out of the oven. Can you see how it looks? You need to be here. The aroma here is everything. Before tasting it, what we are persevering already tells it all how yummy this is going to be. This dish is perfect for all occasion. If it is for Christmas, it is there. If you're celebrating a birthday, you can prepare this for your guests. They will love it. And for your family as well. Dinner, lunch, give this a try. I'm sure everyone will love it, and they will also love you more. So easy to prepare. It can be served with Coke, with mayonnaise, with ketchup, with tzatziki, with sweet and sour cream. Feel free to experience as much as you want with this. This is how I rocked it, and everyone loved it. So don't let me talk much. Hope you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. See you all next time. Bye.
Just kitchen for every type of food, for the best recipes and the meals that you need.